Ashwagandha is a powerful herb known for its remarkable benefits. It helps our bodies cope with stress by promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. This ancient remedy has been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices. People use it to feel calmer and more focused in their daily lives. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen. Adaptogens help the body adapt to stress by regulating hormones and improving overall resilience. They bring the body back into balance, promoting harmony and well-being. This makes ashwagandha a popular choice for modern life, where stress is a common issue. Many people experience stress daily due to hectic schedules and demanding environments. This constant stress can be harmful to our health, leading to various issues. Ashwagandha offers a natural solution to combat stress and improve mental clarity. It can improve our well-being and overall quality of life. Ashwagandha is gaining popularity. People are increasingly looking for natural ways to manage stress and enhance their health. This herb provides a safe and effective option for those seeking balance and tranquility. It is a valuable tool for improving our health and enjoying a more balanced life. Stress triggers the release of cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone. It is often called the stress hormone. High cortisol levels for long periods are bad. They can lead to health problems. These problems include anxiety, sleeplessness, and weight gain. Ashwagandha can help regulate cortisol levels. Studies show that it lowers cortisol. This helps reduce the negative impacts of stress. By managing cortisol, ashwagandha promotes calmness. It also improves sleep quality. This allows the body to rest and repair. Ashwagandha doesn't just combat stress, it also sharpens the mind. Studies show that it can boost cognitive function. This herb can improve memory and focus. It may also enhance reaction time. These benefits are valuable for people of all ages. Researchers believe ashwagandha protects the brain. It may help prevent age-related cognitive decline. This makes it a promising supplement for brain health. Ashwagandha's effects on the brain are significant. It offers a natural way to enhance cognitive performance. It can also support long-term brain health. Section 4. Recharging your batteries. Ashwagandha for recovery. Life can be draining, both physically and mentally. The daily grind can leave us feeling worn out and depleted. Ashwagandha, an ancient herb, can aid in recovery. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It helps the body bounce back from exertion, reducing fatigue and promoting faster recovery. Many athletes use ashwagandha to improve performance and endurance. It can reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery time, allowing for quicker return to training. This allows for more effective training and better results over time. Ashwagandha is not just for physical recovery, it also supports mental well-being. It can help with mental fatigue, improving focus and clarity. It can improve energy levels and reduce feelings of burnout, making daily tasks more manageable. This herb supports overall well-being, contributing to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. It helps us recover from the demands of daily life, providing a sense of calm and relaxation. This makes it a valuable tool for maintaining optimal health and achieving a state of balance and harmony. Section 5. Finding your balanced dosage and safety considerations. Ashwagandha is generally safe for most people when taken appropriately. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. They can determine the appropriate dosage tailored to your specific needs. The right dosage varies depending on the individual and their unique health profile. Factors like age, health condition, and the form of ashwagandha you choose to use are important considerations. It's crucial to start with a low dose to see how your body reacts. Gradually increase it as needed based on your body's response. This gradual approach allows the body to adjust and minimizes potential side effects. While ashwagandha is a natural supplement, it can interact with other medications you may be taking. Therefore, it's essential to discuss its use with a doctor to avoid any adverse interactions. This ensures safe and effective use, helping you achieve the best possible health outcomes. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the power of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen. It offers numerous health benefits. Its ability to combat stress is remarkable. This ancient herb can lower cortisol levels, it can improve cognitive function, it can enhance recovery. These benefits make it a valuable tool for modern life. Incorporating ashwagandha into a healthy lifestyle can be beneficial. It can help us manage stress. It can improve overall well-being. Embrace the power of ashwagandha, experience its ability to restore balance. It can help you thrive in today's demanding world.